The instrument cluster does not light up. I have the ignition on, and vital information lights up. As you can see, the generator, it does check the ABS, the charge, the fuel, the oil pressure lights up. But when I pull this light on, the instrument cluster should illuminate in a blue-green, but it's not doing that. The tail lights are off also. And one time a policeman stopped me because my tail lights were off. And I also noticed at that time my dash instrument lights was off also. And he didn't give me a ticket, but he just gave me a warning. He told me what the problem was. The fuse is connected with the instrument cluster light and also the tail light. So if both of them are off, it's most likely the fuse. Fuse by 1996 Dodge Ram 1500. The fuse box is right here. You know, you take a look at this, and sometimes this doesn't correspond, so you've got to pull the various fuses. And I've got a fuse puller here, and I flip it around. In my case, it's this fuse right here, and I've already replaced it. So you can tell if the fuse has been broken. I already replaced it, so this is a good one. I'll turn on the lights now. The instrument cluster should now, I don't know if you could see it, but the instrument cluster has a blue-green hue to it. And also the back tail light is on.